Hello friends, nice to see you again. This is Monica from RinPac Packaging.
High-quality flat pouches come in a wide range of sizes for packaging smaller sample portions of your products or larger quantity items for storing purposes. Our lay flat options include the following option: high vapor barriers that block moisture, oxygen, and aroma from entering or exiting the package, different hang hole options. Round hole, Euro hole, transparent or clouded windows, metalized films, puncture and tear resistant, tear notches, closures including press-to-close zippers. Certified child resistant zippers, available in a wide range of sizes.
Welcome to contact us to customize your own bags. See you next time. Bye.